Welcome to VW Harvest Weekend, everybody. Here we go. And you can't have a weekend until you get gas. So we're making our first fuel stop for the cruise today from Topnotch. So we got Shannon and Sludge. There's Matt over there. Double Nuts with Crust Bus. Jake with Ziggy. There's the Crust Bus. All the way from Reading, CA. The man, the myth, the legend. There's Matt from Baytown. Woohoo! Ziggy, Jake and Megan looking good. And there's Rocco. Oh! Ready for a cruise. So this is where it all begins. This is it. There it is. That's the official sound. When Sludge does that, it means it's time to G-O. So off to the park. We're headed to the park. Cruise starts at 4. So here we go. This is it. Harvest Weekend is officially starting now.
What are we doing?
First thing first, everybody give yourself a round of applause for being here today.
And there was much rejoicing.
All right, Ben. Thank you guys, man. It's so awesome to see a bunch of new faces and familiar faces and some faces I don't want to see, but that's okay. I won't name names Bay Area Dave, but we'll leave it at that. Anyway, thank y'all for being at our new location. This is it. We're up here in the beautiful metropolis of Hutto. We are at Topnotch. The cruise was long story, but anyway, look at all these people. Hello, boys. There's Double Nuts. Double Nuts, have you eaten?
Hey, I did. It was really good.
You ate twice in one day.
I know.
It's crazy.
Bay Area Dave.
But I heard that. I heard they called your name for the food you ordered.
Yeah, it did. All right, here we are inside Topnotch. There's everybody getting in line. We're doing a business. And here, order for Gary. There it is right there. Thank you, boys. Y'all are awesome. Everybody's munching down, eating good. Look at this table. That's the troublemakers table right there. Look at that. Well, there's a couple of storytellers right there. How's it going tonight, gents?
It's going great. Got my little Topnotch koozie.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
I bought all the stuff: the hat, the shirt, the keychain.
You're doing everything. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
When you go in, you go all in. How was the cruise?
The cruise was fun. I mean, I got to stay with the front of the pack, so it worked out fine for me.
First
Some
5
people got lost.
Didn't we? What's everybody else's problem?
Yeah.
We're going to work on the cruise.
Good cruise, good weather, good company.
B1 flyovers.
Yes.
That's
fantastic. Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for being here, boys.
Oh, thank you. Burgers are good.
Oh, how's Rocco?
Rocco's doing great. It's right there.
There it is.
Ooh. Hanging out.
We got lots of cars here tonight. Look at there.
Am I on camera?
You are. How you doing there, Mr. Kevin? How you doing, buddy?
Good. Looking forward to tomorrow.
Yeah. You do good? Safe drive up from New Braunfels?
Yeah.
Right. Good.
Hey, you have any registration forms or no?
No. It's all just easy.
Looking forward to
Good to
it,
see you, buddy. Ah, there's Fifi.
What's up, brother?
How you doing?
Charlie.
Charlie, how you doing? Oh, that's good. How are y'all tonight?
Good.
Wonderful. Good. Yeah. Having fun?
Good. So much fun.
Yeah. Where's the bus?
As always, I didn't bring it.
On jack stands.
It's on jack stand.
Oh, it's just resting for tomorrow.
It's
That's resting. Yeah.
yeah.
That's it? Resting
we'll
for
go with
tomorrow.
that.
Are you going to flat tow it over tomorrow? No? You could?
Maybe.
Yeah. Maybe?
maybe.
There's plenty of room. Hi, y'all.
Hi.
Alberto. Hola. Hola, baby. Hi, y'all. How you doing? Let's see what's going on. Now, this is the way to go to a car show right here. I don't know what's going on here, but this is, y'all are way too relaxed. Look at this. Woo! Got Giz. How you doing, man?
Doing good,
Thanks for
man.
being here, brother.
Yes, sir.
And look at there she is, the one, the only. Woo! Look at this. Nice. I like it. Let's see what's going on. We got Jettas over here. More Beetles, Vultures. Look at that. Look at this. How's it going, boys? Look at that. That's you know what that's right there is? That's L-I-V-I-N right there. I like it. I'm not sure what's going on here. There might be some storytelling going on over here, so I wouldn't believe anything that's being said. Thank y'all for being out here tonight, y'all. Good for it. Thank y'all for being here. How are y'all?
Good, good.
I'm gonna talk to my fellow school teacher here. How you doing?
Good.
You having fun?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can't wait for tomorrow.
Yeah. Where y'all staying? At the camp?
Well, Cheetah's gonna stay at the McDonald's farm.
Yeah. Old
Yeah.
McDonald's farm.
Yeah.
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 What about
No,
you?
I'm gonna stay with my son.
Oh, that's right. He's here.
Yeah, he just walked. He's in there eating with Diego.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we're gonna go right now to the soccer game. So yeah. No.
Oh, the soccer game. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there goes the bus.
There we go.
Y'all are going to the game tonight?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the soccer game and then we'll be up there tomorrow by 8 o'clock
All
at
right.
the
Sounds good.
at the park.
All right, y'all be safe. Have fun at the game.
We will.
All right, thank y'all for being here. Look at this one. That car's beautiful. Oh, there's a guy that's had too much fun. How's it going, y'all? Nice. There's my boys from Monterey. Hey. Here's the beer lady. How's the beer sales? Good? Great. Awesome. Me friend. Hey! What are you doing here, man? Me friend. This guy right here, we go way back. ¿Qué dice? Mucho. Mucho. Oh, mucho. Yeah. How many years?
¿Cuántos años?
10. At least 10.
Yes.
Yeah. Good to see you. Holy cow. Wow.
Gran amigo.
My amigo. Me friend. Good to see you, man. Thank y'all for being here.
Yeah.
Woo. Oh, there's trouble right there. All right, here he is, ladies and gentlemen, Kelly.
All right, how many years is this?
So we started in 2010.
I think it's been 30 years.
Yeah, at least.
30 years of this.
It's our 35th year.
Hi.
Yeah, okay. He announced it last year. Thank y'all for coming. I know a lot of people had to leave early. Every year we do my favorite car. Mad Martin makes a trophy. It's one of my favorite trophies he's ever made. I need one for me personally. But before that, I want to tell you tomorrow, with no traffic, it's about 10 minutes from Brushy Creek is the new Topnotch location. If you haven't been there, we're running a special. Take a picture of you and your bus or your Beetle or your Squareback, whatever you got. Come in, we'll give you $4 off of the combo. So do that tomorrow. So after the show, after you've had all the cheap hot dogs you can eat, are we doing Twinkies this year?
We are doing
Twinkies. So hot dogs, Twinkies, then come get a cheeseburger combo. So that's tomorrow, and that'll go till 9 o'clock at night. Yeah. So leave the show at like 10:05.
Yes.
Just kidding.
Yeah. Just come eat.
10 to 3. 10 to 3.
Yeah.
So leave it there.
We'll be done at 3.
So it's 10 minutes away or 25 in a bus to get there. Is that right? No, not that. Okay.
No, well, yes.
Something like
Yes.
that. Okay. So every year I walk around and I look at all my favorite cars and I rule them out for no specific reason. It's basically just what I like. There's no checklist. You don't have to qualify. I don't get paid anymore to pick people's cars. But tonight, my daughter, who doesn't come to Hot Rod nights, she only comes to Volkswagen nights. So that's good. And Davey announced it last year. Ada, just moral support. Okay, so trying to get the next generation to keep caring. All right, so I chose a car that may or may not win trophies somewhere else. I don't care about that, and I just like it. and I like the people that own it, so here it is.
1995 Mexico Beetle Jeans Edition.
I love it. It's weird. I like crazy random stuff. I hope you don't have a boot full of trophies over there. Maybe this is one of the first ones. But
Yes.
thanks for driving up from San Antonio. What are your names?
Cecilia.
Cecilia. We're gonna name. Nobody cares about your name. Cecilia's car. Cecilia's. She drives it to work. She actually uses it. It's great. All right.
I do. Thank you so much.
All right, no problem. So we're gonna be here for a little while longer. Get a beer, get a milkshake, whatever. Hang out. We will see you all tomorrow at the show.
Thank
Thanks.
you. Thank you so much.
All right, everybody. Thank you, Kelly. Thank you, Topnotch, and congratulations, you guys. Woo! As always, thank y'all all for being here. We're just so excited for this year's harvest. We'll see you tomorrow, starting at 8 o'clock. Registration will open at 9. We'll have the national anthem at 10. Twinkie eating contest at 11. The valve covers at noon, and awards start at 2. And then we'll start wrapping up, and everybody go over to Topnotch in Hutto and have $4 off. What a great day, everybody. Thank you guys so much. Have a great